Today we are going to discuss statistics. We will touch on three main concepts. The first we will look at is the mean. The mean, for those of you that don't know, is the average number in a set of data. So for example, this concept can be used in finding the average grade of test scores, average points scored in sporting games, and average time spent on certain activities, but that's just to name a few. So let's look at an example first. So given in this data set are the numbers 1, 2, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 8, and 5. So as you can see, there are 9 numbers, which means that n is equal to 9. To find the mean, we must add up all of the values of these 9 numbers together. Then you must take that sum and divide it by the total number of values, which again is n. So let's add up all the numbers, starting with 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5. And when you finish that up, the total will be 36. So once you get the sum, you must divide it by n. So 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. And that gives us our average, or again, the mean for this data set. By looking at the same data set, we will now discuss the second concept, which is the median. The median is the middle value of the numbers in the set. To find the median, we must order the numbers from smallest to largest. So let's begin with the smallest number, which is 1. Now let's look at our next number, which we see is 2. Let's again look at the next, which is 2. Then we have 3. After 3, we have 4. After 4, we have 5. After 5, we have 6. Following 6 is 7. And last but not least, we have 8. So the median again is the middle value. So we must have an equal number going from left to right and right to left that meet to the median number. So we have 4 going from left to right, and then from right to left we have 4. And that means that the median is, in fact, 4 for this data set. So let's say, though, that there was another number in the data set. So, for example, let's just say that there was number 8, which would also change the order and add an additional 8 at the end. So that means that there's an even amount in the data set. So in order to find the median, again, you must have an equal number from the left side and the right side to find the middle number. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we also have 8, 8, 7, 6. But you see that there's still a 4 and a 5 left over, and there's no middle number. So to find the median, you must take the average of the two. So 4 plus 5 equals 9, and you must divide it by 2, which is the median number, which is also equal to 4.5. And there is your median. Last, we'll look at the mode, which is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. In order to find this, we must order the numbers again, but clearly we have that already listed in red. So let's look at the number that appears most in the set, which is 2, which appears twice, and all the other numbers appear once. So the mode is 2. But if you had another number again, like let's say 8, we would look at the data set after we had ordered it and see that both 2 and 8 appear the same amount. So that just shows that there are 2 modes, and this is also true that there could be multiple modes in a data set. Also to note, there can also be no mode, which appears when all of the numbers appear the same amount in a data set.